You know what they say, time is money. A makeup organizer, a 1-minute manicure, delicious morning hot chocolate, and a supersonic pancake recipe? Today, we'll show you how to save time with our lightning-fast life hacks. There's just never enough time in the morning to do your hair. And you're tired of going around with the same old hair. Here's the tip. Divide your slightly damp hair into 2 parts and braid it tightly. Keep the braids in while you sleep. Unbraid your hair in the morning and you'll have beautiful flowing waves. Now your hair is so voluminous. And now, maybe even more exciting, since you don't need to spend time on your hair now, you can sleep half an hour longer. And for the next life hack, you will need a piece of pipe, a flower pot, and a ruler. Hot glue the pipe to the pot. Glue the ruler to the edges of the pot. Get a clean pair of socks. Stretch a sock over. This crazy device to put on your socks will save you so many seconds. Step on it and press the ruler to the floor. Push your other foot into the pipe. Just like that, your foot is dressed and ready to go. Now we just need to find someone who pulls the other sock on this Rube Goldberg machine. It might not be the most practical invention, but it sure is funny. Not enough time to cook? Here's a simple recipe that will make your life easier and tastier. Crack an egg into a bowl. Add half a cup of flour, baking powder, and a spoonful of sugar. Lastly, add some water. Mix everything very thoroughly so that there are no lumps. Pour the mixture into a plastic bottle. You can put it in the fridge. In the morning, all you have to do is pour the pancake dough on a hot pan and fry them up. Sprinkle with powdered sugar and garnish with berries. Bon appetit! Rushing around in the morning is never good news. Milk always ends up getting spilled, and you pour too much hot chocolate and get it everywhere. This life hack will show you how to be effective in those sleepy and stressful morning moments. The evening before, dissolve a couple of spoonfuls of hot chocolate powder in a glass of milk. Add sugar if you want, and mix thoroughly. Prepare an ice mold. Ladle the cocoa mixture into the mold. Freeze them overnight. In the morning, fill the glass with ice cubes. Microwave it for half a minute. Voila! Take out the glass of hot, delicious chocolate. No more morning stress, just a tasty and simple cup of hot cocoa. You just can't apply mascara in a hurry. It never ends well. One wrong move and it's all over. A mascara stain on your upper eyelid turns you into a panda. To avoid such frustrating situations, use this tip. In addition to mascara, you will need a regular tablespoon. Cover the upper lid with the spoon and apply the mascara as usual. That dangerous excess mascara will just go on the spoon and your eyelashes will look perfect. Simple, really! Eyebrows frame the face. They're the first thing that catches the eye. We have a life hack passed down for generations. You need a lit candle and a wooden clothespin. Char the edges of the clothespin over the flame. Apply the charcoal on your brows. Painting with coal gives the eyebrows a dark tone and makes them look more dramatic. The shape of the clothespin is convenient and lets you make a smooth line with hardly any effort. Do your hands look neglected and need to be quickly put in order? We'll fix it ASAP! You need some Epsom salts. Pour salt into the bowl and add a few drops of Carrier almond oil. Pour water. Stir until the solid particles dissolve completely. Dip your hands in water and wait 2 minutes. With the sharp end of an orange wood stick, shape your cuticles. Such a quick and simple procedure will not only help to put your hands in order, but also strengthen your nails and make them healthy. In the meantime, if your nails are not perfect yet, the flaws can be hidden with colored nail polish. But what to do if the watch is ticking and time is running out? No problem. You need standard nail polish and a bowl of cold water. Paint your nails. Dip your fingertips into the water. Set 1 minute on the timer. Cold water acts as a fixer and the polish dries much faster. If painting your nails is too monotonous and there's no time to go to the salon, we'll show you how to do a fast and fresh French manicure. You can do it with the help of a balloon. Cut the narrow part of the balloon. Stretch it on the nail, leaving the tip of the nail uncovered. Paint the edge of the nail with white polish. Gently move the balloon. A smooth, clear strip remains on the nail. It can be done very quickly. As a result, a stylish and simple manicure. Looks very beautiful. Now we'll show you where you should put your makeup so it's always ready to go. You're going to need some magnets. Hot glue the magnets to the handles of brushes, palettes, and tubes. Now stick the magnetic makeup on a metal board. And if you put your makeup on in the kitchen, you can attach all the jars to the refrigerator. All beauty tools are always in front of your eyes and at arm's length. Just amazing! For this life hack, you need a white sheet. Cut it into pieces. Fold in half, put a number on each piece of paper. In order to save your morning from unnecessary fuss, you need to work out a plan of action. First, hygiene. Put a towel and a toothbrush next to the number plate. Second, a quick breakfast and tea. Third, beauty treatments and light day makeup. So you have the necessary products ready. Put the clothes near the paper with the number 4. Number 5 is to collect your book bag. And 6, don't forget to lock your door. While living the morning according to a clearly planned checklist, you will be surprised how much free time you will have before your departure. It often happens that you are late because you spend a lot of time collecting things throughout the apartment. The keys hidden on the shelf, the wallet on the nightstand, the documents with the headphones hid in the drawer, and the phone spread out on the kitchen table. For this life hack, you need a plastic basket and a pair of hooks. Fasten the hooks on the front door. We attach the basket to them. Glue the paper reminder. Fold all the things you need to take with you into the basket. And before going out, carefully transfer them to your bag. Getting ready now takes no more than half a minute. You no longer need to run around the house and worry about leaving something very important at home. And for the next life hack, you need a cardboard organizer for folders and papers. Cut the top of the organizer to make a flat box. Next, you need a microfiber cloth. Glue the fabric to the inside of the box. Use a hot glue gun for the best result. Now you have a soft and convenient cloth to polish your shoes. Put the box in the hallway. All you have to do is put your foot inside the box and polish your shoe with the weighting cloth. No need to spend time taking your shoes off, searching for a rag, and washing hands. Moreover, you do not even have to lean. A shoe polish box will do everything for you. The biggest problem of the in-between seasons is deciding which clothes to wear. It's always summer in your heart, so of course you want to wear ballet flats, but the cold weather is really not working with you. Your friend might be surprised when she sees your trendy outfit and your cold, rosy cheeks. After all, she herself is wearing a big, puffy jacket and is still shivering. Next time, so you're not mistaken and end up in the wrong outfit, look at the weather forecast before you pick out your clothes. It's easy. Just download the weather app and you'll always be fully prepared. Did you like these time-saving life hacks? Have you been using any? Will you try out any of ours? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell to be the first to know when we post new videos.